So proceeding in our backend development course, this is the 13th module in our course, right? So in the previous module, we had seen how we can add a checkout middleware to our project. Okay, so let us proceed here. So right now you can see we insert middleware. I have this checkout middleware. Fine. So here is the code. Now let me tell you that you can use any editor of your choice. I am just switching to JetBrains WebStorm. Okay. So right here, what I will do is inside services, we have this auth.service.js, and inside this we have all this things imported. Fine. Uh, right here, what I will do is I will create a simple service to rotate the tokens. Okay. So what I will do is I will just go ahead and create a service to rotate the tokens. So I'll write here const refresh access token. Now, why I'm only refreshing the access token, not the refresh token? Because refresh token is used to like maintain the authentication state in the front end. Okay, so it will keep the user logged in for a specific period of time. Let us see. I think we had 30 days of the refresh token validation. Okay, yeah, so 30 days, and after 30 days, it will be invalidated, and as well as it will be automatically removed from the like cookie. If you remember the inside the controller, we had this thing inside the wait is wait a second login user, find it. Yeah, so right here, okay, it's the login user function, right? So here, what we had done is we had set the refresh token cookie as HTTP only and validation for 30 days. So after 30 days, automatically it will be deleted from the cookie. Fine. So what I want is the session should persist for 30 days only, not more than that. Okay, so here inside all service, a refresh access token. Now what it will receive is the refresh token. Okay, so what it will receive is the refresh token. Fine. Now what I will do is here I will write the logic. So first of all, I will import something called JWT from JSON Web Token. Okay, so after importing JWT from JSON Web Token, what I will do is I will write a try and catch. Okay, error, catch error. Fine. So first of all, I'll just write console dot log error. Okay, console.log error. Fine. Or else what can I do is instead of console log error, I can just write a throw new error. Okay, throw error, just throw error, because I will not be sending this particular error to the client as it is console.log error. Fine. And then I will do here throw new API error 500, and I will write here that is uh, invalid or expired refresh token. I can send this one to the client. Invalid or expired refresh token. Fine. So what I will try is I will try to decode const decoded. Okay, const decoded equals to jwt dot verify. What I will verify is the refresh token. Okay, and what is the secret? The secret is refresh token secret, which we have inside the constant.js. Now, if we'll see at the top, it automatically imported that one from constants file. Okay, now as soon as I get the refresh token, I will go ahead and destructure the ID from decoded. Okay, ID from decoded. Now, what is this ID? This ID is the user ID. Okay, fine. Now, let us say I will write a const user is equal to await user model. Uh, I think I named it as user model dot. Wait a second, let me see. Yeah, it's user model dot. And what's the issue? User model dot. Wait a second. I am not getting any suggestions. The method is find by ID, and I'll be passing the ID here. Fine. Then what I will do is I will just return straight away. Just return user dot generate access token. Okay. User dot return user dot generate access token, and it's very simple method. Fine. Right here I will just put a comma and refresh access token. Okay, so here inside my controller, what I will do is I will just go ahead and const refresh access token, which is an async function, async request, response, and next. Okay, and yeah, so before going for async, we have to wrap this inside the async handler function. Okay, so yeah, uh, right here, what I will do something like const, const. Now, if I will say that const refresh token. Okay, so let me see one documentation. Okay, so I'll see the documentation expressions.com, and here what I will see is the cookie. Okay, so let us check the cookie parser middleware. So let me check how do we get the cookie. Okay, so cookie session optional, and I've got to use cookie session. I don't want cookie session. I want cookie parser middleware. Okay, so cookie parser. How do I get the cookie? Let me see. How do I get the cookie? Okay, so the thing is request.cookies. Okay, so const refresh token is equal to rec dot cookies. Okay, rec dot cookies, and I think I can get like this refresh token. Okay, now if not of refresh token, if not of refresh token, so what you do is throw new API error, throw new API error. Now here I will throw 401, and here I will go for the unauthorized access. Okay. Unauthorized access, and Alt Shift Enter. I think Alt Enter or Alt Enter. Yeah. So Alt Enter, it imported the API error from this file. And if it's not getting the cookie, so we will just directly erase this unauthorized access. Okay, unauthorized access. And yeah, right here, what I will do is I will just write a const a result is equal to await auth service dot refresh access token and nothing else, and just write a response dot status 200 and dot json new API response, and 200 I will just send the access underscore token to the front end. Now the result is directly holding the access token, so I don't need to send it directly. Then I think I wrote it in the wrong placement, so it's the right place. And the message will be refreshed access token, refreshed access token, and save this. Okay, so refreshed access token and save this. Fine. And here I will just export this function refresh access token. Okay, refreshed access token. Now inside routes, we have this auth.route.js. Inside this auth.route.js, I will create a new route using the router. Okay, router dot route, and it's slash refresh. Okay, slash refresh, and then what I have is the dot post. Okay, dot post. Fine. So dot post, I have auth controller dot refresh access token. Right. So save this and let us go to Postman. Before that, let us start the terminal. Okay. npm run dev. Uh, Start the terminal and then start the server npm run dev. Let us check if there are any errors. No, it's fine. So let us just go for Postman. Sorry, let me close this. Okay, so secure zero authentication and go for a new route that is a post, and let us go to auth API base URL. Auth API base URL, this one. Okay, and hit slash refresh. Let us check what happens here. So just name this request as a refresh access token. Okay, save this and send. And here cannot post to slash or slash refresh. Sorry, so it's refresh send and invalid or expired token. That is ridiculous. Let us check what happened. JWT must be provided. What happened here? I should be getting the JWT, right? Let us check what happened here. Let's check what happened here. Log. Let me log red.cookies. Okay, request.cookies, and let me check what I am getting. Let it refresh. Please send it, and let me check what I'm getting. Cookies. I'm getting two. So actually, I have to use this refresh token. Uh, this one. Okay, so let me just fine. So I have to use this one. Okay. I have to use this one refresh underscore token. Now I think it's not getting. Let me just write here. I will write here refresh. Oh, I know why it's raising the error. Actually, there is one thing that I have to pass the refresh token to this particular method inside the controller, I have to provide the refresh token to the order service refresh access token. Fine. So that's why it was raising error. Now body, let us send this. And yeah, so here you can see we are getting access token. Now we'll be getting this access token whenever we have this refresh token inside our cookie. This is a separate refresh token cookie. So our cookie is this one, refresh underscore token. So as long as we have this for 30 days, you will see that we can just rotate our cookies. Okay. As soon as we log out, okay. Now if we implement logout, which will be doing in the next module, what we'll be doing is we'll be simply deleting this refresh token cookie from the cookies. Okay. So yeah, so this was a very short module. Okay. Yet one crucial part that we need to access. Fine. Yeah. So right here, what I will do is I will just go ahead and push the code to GitHub. Let us go here, and this is about module 13. Module 13. Okay. Refresh token. Refresh access token. Access token. Refresh access token flow. Yeah, so this is the title. Okay, so my laptop is complaining. So commit 8 files to development and just push origin. Okay, push to origin. Yeah. So right here, what we can see inside GitHub is, wait a second, let me just plug in the charger. Yeah. So right here, you can see under repositories, I have backend dev. Fine. So inside this, if you'll go under development branch, okay, here you have this module R30 refresh access token flow. Fine. So for a second, uh, oh yeah, fine. Wait a second, just a second. Okay, so this was the end of this module. Let us proceed to the next module.